Enzymes are powerful biological catalysts produced by living organisms and are usually present only in small amounts in the various cells. Enzymes are proteins and are highly substrate selective. I means they have thus action on substrate. That is, a particular enzyme can catalyze only a specific reaction. Now these enzymes are so powerful catalysts that most biological reactions proceed at very high speed, even under mild conditions of temperature in alkaline medium or in acidic medium, that is at a particular pH. In the absence of these enzymes, most of the biological reactions would be very slow to sustain life. For example, digestion of a single meal without the enzymes may take about 50 years. Enzymes are classified according to the action they perform. For example, hydrolysis carry out hydrolysis, I means breaking with water, base. Oxidases carry out oxidation. Transferases transfer atoms or groups of atoms from one compound to other. Lyases involve the addition or removal of a molecule from substrate without hydrolysis or oxidation reduction. Ligases join two substrates. The catalytic action of enzymes involves the formation of enzyme substrate complex. मीन्स जब कैटालिटिक एक्शन होता है तो एंजाइम और सबस्ट्रेट का कम्प्लेक्स बनता है. दिस इज बिकॉज एंजाइम्स पोसेस active sites at which the interaction with substrate takes place. Like any catalyst, the enzyme does not change the chemical equilibrium, but speed up a reaction by lowering the activation energy. A small quantity of an enzyme is highly efficient because each time after the completion of the reaction, the enzyme is regenerated. A typical enzyme may be regenerated 1,000,000 times in a minute. Though all enzymes contain proteins, most active enzymes contain a non-protein component called a cofactor. The cofactor may be an inorganic metal like iron, zinc, copper, molybdenum, manganese, sodium, potassium ion, or maybe a non-protein organic molecule called a coenzyme. Many of the coenzymes are derived from vitamins. The protein of an enzyme is called apoenzyme. Now, some common enzymes and their reactions which they catalyze, like maltose to 2 molecules of glucose is catalyzed by maltase. Galactose to glucose and lactose to glucose and galactose is catalyzed by lactase as enzyme. Starch to glucose is carried by amylase. Sucrose to glucose and fructose is carried by invertase. Urea to carbon dioxide and ammonia is carried by urease. Carbonic acid to carbon dioxide and water is carried by carbonic anhydrase. Protein to amino acid is carried by pepsin. Protein to amino acid is also carried by trypsin. DNA and RNA to nucleotides is carried by nucleases. Deoxyribonucleotide triphosphate to DNA is carried by DNA polymerase. Ribonucleotide triphosphate to RNA is carried by RNA polymerase. Hydrogen peroxide to water and oxygen is carried by catalase. Lipids to alcohol and acid is carried by lipase. Name of the enzyme, it ends with the name is. Enzyme contains 2 parts, a protein part which is called apoenzyme and a non-protein part, that is metal ion, a cofactor, and organic molecule, a coenzyme. All specific proteins of enzymes are thus outlined as: all enzymes are proteins plus non-protein part. and highly powerful biological catalyst that can increase the rate of reaction up to 10 million times or even more. Means enzyme has a very high speed to increase the speed of reaction. Enzymes are highly active at physiological conditions. Physiological condition means a body temperature and at a pH. Enzymes extremely changes in temperature and pH markedly decrease the activity, and the enzyme can even lose activity. Enzymes are highly substrate specific. Each enzyme catalyzes only a specific type of reaction. For example, urea catalyzes hydrolysis of urea to ammonium carbonate in the presence of urease. Enzymes are required in small amounts. Some inorganic or organic compounds that can decrease enzyme activity are called denaturants. A small amount of enzymes is sufficient to catalyze a reaction. This is due to the fact that enzymes are regenerated during reaction. Mechanism of enzyme action. Enzymes show all the same properties of inorganic catalyst. That is, they speed up reactions without being themselves chemically changed. Like other enzymes, other catalysts, enzymes increase the reaction rate by lowering the catalyst, by lowering the activation energy. Thus, an enzyme provides an alternative low energy reaction pathway for conversion from reactant to product. First of all, enzyme forms a complex with substrate. That is the first step. Then, in the second step, enzyme and substrate complex it break down into product plus enzyme. The reactant molecule first bind to the place on the surface of enzyme molecule called the active site. The active sites of the enzymes and substrates specific. That is called key is for a certain lock. Here the enzyme performs the action and changes the substrate to the product and becomes free. Now this is called lock and key model of an enzyme. So this is how enzymes can act, they can perform their functions during the biological reactions.